Right, so finding the area of a trapezoid is probably our most complicated of these formulas. So we're going to go over that original example one more time, and then we're going to do the guided notes together where we're going to walk you through those steps. Okay, so here we go. So here is our trapezoid. So we know that in order to calculate its area, we want to think of it in terms of a parallelogram. So we're going to copy, paste, and flip that trapezoid. Okay, so that means let's count up what the base is, base 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it's counted over 3 to get to that corner, and then up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I were to take this and I were to take it and copy paste and turn it, rotate it, I then would have this base would then be here, 1, 2, 3, and then that first base would then be on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I can connect it there. So now you can see I have 2 identical trapezoids based off of the dimension of the first one they give me. Now I know that the area of this parallelogram is going to be this entire base times this height. So how do I get what that base is? So area of a parallelogram, area equals base times height. What is the base? Well, it's this base plus this base, which we know from the original, that's base 1 plus base 2. So that's going to be 10 plus 3, that's going to be 13, times the height. So 13 times 4. So 13 times 4, that's going to be 52. So 52 square centimeters is the area of this entire parallelogram. But we want the area of just the trapezoid. So what do we need to do? We know that my original trapezoid, it's just half of that parallelogram. So I need to divide by 2. So that gives me 26 centimeters squared. So I know that this parallelogram, the area equals 26 centimeters squared. And that's where you get that trapezoid formula from. Base 1 plus base 2, and that gives you that whole thing times the height divided by 2. So pull out your guided notes, and we're going to go ahead and fill in that formula. Okay, so let's go ahead and label it trapezoid. So area equals, so let's go ahead and label this. We know that this side over here, we're going to call this base 1. Base 1. And we'll call this side up here base 2. Okay, so what do you do first? You add base 1 plus base, make that a B, base 2. So you're adding base 1 plus base 2. And the reason why is because you're taking this and you're doing copy paste and rotate. So this base 2, imagine it's flipping and going that way. Okay, so going back to this example, the original trapezoid, copy paste and rotate. So this, you're adding this up. So you're getting the whole entire length of that entire parallelogram multiplied by the height. So we remember the height, we label it here. That's the height of that trapezoid times h. There it is. Now that will give us the area of this entire parallelogram, but we don't want that. We want just half of it for the trapezoid. So we are going to take this and it divide by 2. We want half of it. So you can do it like this, times 1/2, or you can also have it like this and you put it height times base 1 plus base 2 all over 2. You can see it that way as well. All right, so if you have any questions on how you can use the area of the formula for area of a trapezoid to solve some of those problems in the practice set, just let me know. Join me for office hours. I'm happy to help you.